Hi, it's Mary, and today I'm going to show you how to style, straighten, and volumize your hair with the all-new Lena Airplusstyler. Lena Airplusstyler can straighten and smooth all types of hair, whether it's curly, frizzy, or just a hot mess. The Airplusstyler is small and lightweight with an easy-to-use handle for styling. It has dual heat for styling. The ceramic bristles heat up to 435 degrees Fahrenheit for long-lasting, stylish hair, and blows hot air to dry and style your hair. Using far-infrared technology, the Airplusstyler allows heat to penetrate your hair follicles from deep inside. The ionic technology in Airplusstyler eradicates frizz and static, keeping your hair sleek and smooth. The fully cool touch design makes it easier and safer for styling. Let's begin by toweling wet hair. Make sure your hair is dry and lightly damp and not dripping wet. For best results, apply argan oil to your hair before styling. Next, use the provided clips to raise the outer layer of your hair. The Airplusstyler has 3 styling modes: low mode for hot air, high mode, which includes the negative ions and infrared. This setting here is for the heated bristle, which has ion and infrared as well, without the hot air. I'm going to use high mode for my damp hair. I usually grab 2 to 3 inch sections and lift from the root to the tip. Some other hot brushes blow hot air from all directions, which can leave bad burns on your skin. But the Airplusstyler only blows in one direction, focusing solely on your hair. What I also like to do is flip my hair using the edge of the hot brush to add lift and more volume for style. And the results are fantastic! To straighten your hair, simply brush your hair as you normally would, also from root to tip. Using high mode volumizes and smooths greasy hair. Grab another section and repeat as necessary. Amplify your beauty and nourish your hair. Use the Lena Airplusstyler.